Starting around 18 November 2023, Cardano sort of especially is exchanging at $0.3605 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in fundamentally essentially most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially certainly thought. ADA generally basically has a very all-out market cap of $12,717,899,255, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $387,873,446 in an unpretentious manner, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. This actually really makes Cardano, ADA, kind of especially positioning at 8 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you fundamentally in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano very be actually really worth in 2023, in a kind of lovely kind of large manner, which generally is genuinely critical, or so they in a real sense thought. Is Cardano an extremely in every way that really matters, wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Which most certainly is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Will ADA cost fundamentally by and large outperform its unequaled high, which basically sort of is very critical? These sort of for the most part are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unpretentious manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA value sort of especially truly is supposed to for the most part essentially cross a very in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.4307. The normal especially least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the very kind of current year ought to sort of be $0.4149 in an actually fundamentally significant manner. Besides, ADA can basically truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $0.4425, or so they generally thought in an unpretentious manner amazingly. ADA value estimate November 2023, the Cardano gauge for November 2023 expects that the ADA may explicitly especially arrive at a sort of commonly greatest worth of $0.4260, with an in every practical sense reasonably essentially least cost of around $0.3786, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Discussing the by and large extremely normal value ADA can for the most part stretch around $0.4141 for November in a for the most part significant manner in a significant manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Cardano in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.4149 and $0.4425, or so they entirely thought in a significant manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.4307 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Cardano especially passed value examination in the genuinely lovely beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been by and large diminished by 2.21% in its reasonably quite current worth in a fundamentally essentially huge manner. Assuming we most certainly truly look at the especially genuinely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can in a real sense sort of see that the market cap sort of especially is likewise down, truly in spite of mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. Cardano especially truly is confronting in every way that really matters, sort of tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, which especially for the most part is genuinely huge. The ADA especially is down to nearly 5.55% in the entirely most recent 7 days, which actually certainly is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. The coin in every practical sense, sort of especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of essentially past especially couple of days, the coin could have essentially serious areas of strength for beautiful at the same time. We don't in every way that really matters believe that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the sort of certainly most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA actually explicitly most certainly diminished by 19.549%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.0876 from its especially lovely most certainly current worth, exhibiting how while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters in a real sense be around $0.4307. Truly as opposed to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin sort of for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense, in every way that really matters. Be a sort of good certainly purchase an open door for essentially certainly especially speedy interest in an unpretentious manner, which truly is very critical. The 90 days cost change truly is near 5.08%, and the cost basically truly circled from a kind of least truly normal cost of $0.3713 to pretty most extreme certainly essentially normal cost of $0.3888 in the especially beyond 90 days, which explicitly is very critical. In beautiful certainly most recent 4 months Cardano in a real sense generally has shown a developing pattern, so will ADA cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed pretty genuinely high in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, kind of exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano basically certainly is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how subsequently, we in a real sense, truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market especially really were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner in a significant way, in spite of prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, which fundamentally truly is very critical. The coin in a real sense is up by 25.33%, with the genuinely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin by and large was around $0.2664, and the in every practical sense, least for the most part extremely normal cost of generally was around $0.2563 in every way that really matters. Especially beyond 4 months in an entirely significant manner. Cardano value figure 2023 facts. What will fundamentally be Cardano most certainly all things considered worth in 2023 in a pretty most certainly significant manner. The ADA cost basically is gauged to generally sort of arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.4425, with pretty sort of least cost of $0.4149 toward the finish of 2023, which basically is genuinely huge amazingly in an unobtrusive manner. Does Cardano most certainly entirely all goals and purposes have a future in an especially significant manner, which essentially is genuinely critical? As far as value, Cardano certainly really has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, so will ADA cost explicitly truly outperform its untouched high in a kind of sort of significant manner. It essentially is estimate that ADA will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way, which in a real sense is very huge in a significant manner. As per by and large genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Cardano can especially commonly stir things up around town outright, especially the greatest cost of $15.49 till 2030, especially truly further appearance, how in fundamentally most recent 4 months Cardano truly has shown a developing pattern, so will ADA cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high. Or so they truly thought, or so they explicitly thought, or so they thought. Is Cardano really worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge?